Overheating of branch wiring in electrical panels can be a serious issue, potentially leading to equipment damage or even fire hazards. Several factors can contribute to this problem. Firstly, let's discuss electrical load. Excessive electrical consumption by equipment such as lighting, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems or machinery can overload circuits. Circuits are designed to carry a specific amount of current, and exceeding this limit can cause the wires to overheat. Overloaded circuits can occur due to improper branch circuit design, leading to uneven distribution of loads. Secondly, wiring issues also matter. Loose connections at panel terminals or branch circuit outlets increase resistance, generating heat. Damaged or undersized wiring may not be able to handle the current demand, causing overheating. Inadequate wire insulation can also contribute to the problem. Thirdly, environmental factors come into play. High ambient temperatures in the store, especially near electrical panels, can exacerbate overheating. Poor ventilation or inadequate air conditioning can trap heat, raising the temperature of the wiring. Excessive dust or debris accumulation on electrical components can act as an insulator, preventing heat dissipation. Fourthly, equipment malfunctions are a possibility. Faulty equipment or motors drawing high currents can overload branch circuits. Overheating transformers or ballasts in lighting fixtures can also contribute to the problem. To investigate branch wiring overheating, you can take several steps. 1. Conduct a load analysis. Measure the current drawn on each branch circuit at the panel using an ammeter. Compare the measured values to the circuit capacities, which are typically indicated in the circuit breaker or fuse. Check for any abnormally high loads or overcurrent conditions. 2. Inspect wiring and connections. Examine panels for loose or damaged terminals. Look for signs of corrosion, discoloration, or melting. Check the condition of branch circuit wires, insulation, and splices. Ensure proper wire gauge and conduit size for the load. Undersized wires can overheat easily. 3. Analyze environmental conditions. Measure the ambient temperature in the store and at panel locations using a thermometer. Inspect ventilation systems and ensure proper airflow around electrical panels. Clean any accumulated dust or debris from electrical components using a vacuum cleaner or brush. 4. Examine equipment. Identify any equipment that may be drawing excessive current, such as malfunctioning motors or appliances. Check for signs of overheating or malfunctioning components, such as discoloration, burning smells, or unusual noises. Inspect transformers and lighting ballasts for any issues such as leaks, swelling, or buzzing sounds. 5. Perform power quality monitoring. Install a power quality meter at the service entrance to monitor voltage, current, harmonics, and power factor. Analyze the data to identify any power quality issues that may contribute to overheating, such as voltage fluctuations, current imbalances, or harmonic distortion. 6. Consult with an electrician. If the investigation does not reveal the cause of the overheating, consult with a qualified electrician for further analysis and recommendations. An electrician can perform more in-depth testing and inspections to identify the root cause of the problem. Here are some additional tips. Use thermal imaging to detect hot spots in wiring or equipment. Thermal imaging cameras can identify areas of excessive heat, which can indicate loose connections, overloaded circuits, or equipment malfunctions. Check for any recent changes to the electrical system or equipment, such as new installations or modifications. Review maintenance records to identify any potential issues, such as previous overheating incidents or equipment failures. Implement regular inspection and maintenance schedules to prevent future overheating. Inspect electrical panels, wiring, and equipment regularly for signs of wear and tear, loose connections, or other potential problems. Address any issues promptly to prevent them from escalating into more serious problems. Consider the electrical load when planning new equipment installations or renovations. Ensure that the existing electrical system is capable of handling the additional load. If necessary, upgrade the electrical system to accommodate the new load. Keep electrical panels and equipment clean and free of dust and debris. Dust and debris can act as insulators, preventing heat dissipation and increasing the risk of overheating. Ensure proper ventilation around electrical panels and equipment to allow for adequate heat dissipation. Avoid blocking ventilation openings or placing objects too close to electrical equipment. Use surge protection devices to protect sensitive electronic equipment from voltage spikes and surges. Voltage spikes and surges can damage equipment and contribute to overheating. Consider using energy-efficient lighting and appliances to reduce electrical consumption and heat generation. Energy-efficient equipment uses less electricity and produces less heat, which can help prevent overheating. Train employees on electrical safety procedures, including how to identify and report potential hazards. Employees should be aware of the signs of overheating, such as burning smells, discoloration, or unusual noises. Keep a record of all electrical inspections, maintenance, and repairs. These records can be helpful in identifying trends and preventing future problems. Regularly test ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, to ensure they are functioning properly. GFCIs are designed to protect against electrical shock and can also help prevent overheating. Ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified electricians. Unqualified electrical work can be dangerous and can increase the risk of overheating. If you are unsure about any aspect of your electrical system, consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can provide expert advice and assistance to ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. Remember that electrical safety is paramount. If you suspect a problem with your electrical system, take immediate action to prevent potential hazards. Turn off the power to the affected circuit or equipment and consult with a qualified electrician. Ignoring electrical problems can lead to serious consequences, including equipment damage, fire, and personal injury. Staying proactive with your electrical system is key. Firstly, perform regular visual inspections. Visually inspect electrical panels, wiring, and equipment for signs of damage, wear, or overheating. Look for things like discoloration, melted insulation, or loose connections. Secondly, feel for unusual heat. Carefully feel the outside of electrical panels and equipment for any unusual heat. Be cautious, as some components may be hot to the touch. Thirdly, listen for unusual noises. Listen for any unusual noises coming from electrical panels or equipment, such as buzzing, crackling, or humming sounds. Fourthly, smell for burning odors. Smell for any burning odors coming from electrical panels or equipment. A burning smell can indicate overheating or other electrical problems. Fifthly, check for flickering lights. Check for flickering lights or other signs of voltage fluctuations. Voltage fluctuations can indicate problems with the electrical system. Sixthly, monitor circuit breaker tripping. Monitor circuit breakers to see if they are tripping frequently. Frequent tripping can indicate overloaded circuits or other electrical problems. Seventhly, review energy bills. Review energy bills for any sudden increases in consumption. Increased energy consumption can indicate inefficient equipment or other electrical problems. Eighthly, consult with professionals. Consult with a qualified electrician for regular inspections and maintenance. An electrician can identify potential problems and perform necessary repairs to keep your electrical system safe and reliable. Ninthly, keep records. Keep detailed records of all electrical inspections, maintenance, and repairs. These records can be helpful in identifying trends and preventing future problems. Tenthly, stay informed. Stay informed about electrical safety best practices and any changes to electrical codes or regulations. By following these steps, you can help prevent branch wiring overheating and maintain a safe and reliable electrical system in your store.